Now in this video I will show the data validation. Like I just did a settings in which the in this cell the date can return should from 1st January to 30th August. So now I will show the input message. When I hover this cell, it should be written as write date between 1st January to 30th August 2024. Here is the input message. Instead, I want to use stop. I can also use a warning. I will use stop. If it's error, then error message should be you didn't write date between 13. So like yeah, once I click here, it's written as this. And if I let's say for example, if I it will show error. Yeah, and written you didn't write date between 1st to 30th August. So using data validation, we can arrange a range and also give input and an error message using data validation.